Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the most frequently asked interview questions and their answers regarding civil engineering. Question 1. What is the compressive strength of a brick used in house construction? Answer. There are three types of bricks used in house construction which have different compressive strength values. For second-class bricks, 70 kg per centimeter square. For first-class bricks, 105 kg per centimeter square. For fire bricks, 125 kg per centimeter square. Question 2. What is the procedure to check the quality of the cement on the construction site? Answer. At site, the cement quality should be checked as follows. Date of manufacture. Cement should be used before 90 days from the date of manufacture. Color. The cement color should be gray with a light greenish shade and it should be uniform. Float test. Good cement sinks and doesn't float if you throw the cement in water. Temperature. When you put your hand in a cement bag, it should feel cool. Lumps. In cement, lumps are formed due to absorption of moisture. Good cement has no lumps. Fineness. When we rub the cement between our fingers, it should feel smooth and not rough. Question 3. In construction, what is grout and why is it used? Answer. Grout is generally a mixture of water, cement, and sand and is employed in pressure grouting, embedding rebar in masonry walls, connecting sections of precast concrete, filling voids, and sealing joints such as those between tiles. Question 4. What do you understand by alternate bid? Answer. Alternate bid is the amount stated to be deducted or added from the base bid amount. The alternate bid is used when there is a use of alternate materials or methods of construction. Question 5. What is the acceptable moisture content in fine aggregate for the concrete mix? Answer. It should be between 0% to 5%. For fine aggregate, if the moisture content is more than 5%, in the fine aggregate it is not preferred to use. Question 6. What is the change order request? Answer. The change order request is a written document issued or given by the owner, requesting an adjustment to the contract sum or an extension of the contract time. Usually, it is issued by the architect or owner's representative. Question 7. What does a construction cost covers and what does not? Answer. A construction cost covers the following things: material, labor, equipment and services, contractor's overhead and profit, other direct construction costs, etc. A construction cost does not cover the following things: the compensation paid to the architect, consultant or engineers, cost of the land, other possible costs related to the owner's responsibility. Question 8. What is the critical path method (CPM) in construction? Answer. The critical path method is a strategy and method used to represent the respective tasks and activities involved in the construction through a symbolic diagram. The critical path method (CPM) is the most commonly used technique for scheduling in construction. It is sometimes referred to as critical path scheduling because it mainly calculates the minimum time needed to complete a construction project, alongside the possible start and end times for the different activities. Question 9. What is the initial and final setting time of the concrete? Answer. The concrete's initial setting time is 30 minutes, and the final setting time is 10 hours. The strength checking of concrete is generally done after 28 days of setting. Question 10. What is the use of a zoning permit in construction? Answer. A zoning permit is a document issued by governing urban authority to the contractors permitting that the land is used for a particular purpose. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.